واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Today's subject is the sign of Jonah. For as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights. This subject. The Christians like using it to show that Jesus was on the cross and he died on the cross and he was resurrected after 3 days and 3 nights. Point number 1. But this sign is to prove that Jesus was never dead on the cross, but he didn't die on the cross. That's to just prove it. But how? If we go to Matthew chapter 12, verse 38 and 40, it says, Jesus said the sign, no sign will be like to Jonah. For as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the whale, so shall the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights in the heart of the earth. What we see is 3 and 3. For as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights, so-called alive, according to the book of Jonah. The book of Jonah is just 1 page in the Bible. But you know, for just 1 page in about a 2,000-page Bible, it will be very hard to find. So to make it easy, almost everyone knows the sign of Jonah. I'm talking about the Christians. So how was Jonah when he was thrown into the sea? Was he dead or was he alive? He was alive. How is he when the whale swallows him? Was he dead or alive?
Alive.
Alive. How is he when the whale vomits him? Was he dead or alive?
Alive.
Alive. So he was alive, alive, alive. For as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights alive, so shall the Son of Man be how? According to prophecy, the word for as is like a comparison. So for as Jonah was 3 days and 3 nights alive, so shall the Son of Man be 3 days and 3 nights alive. So this proves that Jesus was alive throughout the crucifixion, because he said that this sign is like no other sign. He says, an evil and adulterous generation seeketh for a sign, and no sign should be given it to except the sign of Jonah. That's what Jesus said. So when we analyze what the story of Jonah was, and analyze what Jesus' story was, we see that he was alive and alive. This is just a point number 1 on the crucifixion event, and I end this subject very quick. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.